Everyone, and welcome back to the channel here. In this video, I wanted to demonstrate how I am able to make over $200 in just 1 minute trading binary options on the Pocket Option platform here. A common misconception about trading is that technical analysis does not work for making consistent trading results. This is not the case, however. As you will see over time when trading, your results strictly depend on your personal levels of discipline, risk tolerance, and ability to remain patient while waiting for the market to present you with suitable entry opportunities. An important distinction of trading binary options versus other financial instruments is the need to be purposeful and accurate in your decision-making abilities. Binary options are matter of fact. You can either be right or wrong. There is no room for a misplaced entry or incorrect timing. Your ability to be correct in your market assessments can determine the difference between trading as a hobby, using guesswork, and the potential to trade binary options for a living or at least make a suitable part-time income. In this particular trade, I waited for a setup opportunity which aligned multiple technical indicators into my favor, creating what is known as an area of confluence. This is when you are getting multiple different signals from multiple different forms of technical analysis converging into one unifying signal at one point on the chart for a laser-focused entry opportunity. The importance of using these different indicators in one approach is that other traders using each of these indicators individually are also placing entries at these points in market activity, creating a more likely entry point for many different types of traders. We can take advantage of these perfect storm entry opportunities as well as capitalize on them when applicable. As seen here in this example, combining these multiple different indications into one entry point proved to be a great short-term profit of over $200. That is an average daily income working a 9 to 5 where I'm located. This is how powerful trading binary options can be. If you want to learn more about the strategy I use when trading binary options and the process of combining different indicators together for finding these opportunities in the market, be sure to check out my educational package in the description below, where I demonstrate exactly which indicators I use and how I combine them when trading. Alternatively, I also offer the shadow trading program where you will get access to anytime I enter a trade on Pocket Option 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays. Learn more information about that by checking out the Shadow Trading Program membership down in the description below as well. I hope you have all enjoyed this video. Be sure to go ahead and like and subscribe to stay up to date with any time I put out another video like this. Have a great day and remember to stay safe out there. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this short-term position I have on the Pocket Option platform here, looking to capitalize off the short-term momentum and also cover some of the things to keep in mind when looking to day trade binary options for consistent trading results long-term. Now, it's important to note that profiting from day trading binary options requires a combination of knowledge, discipline, and most importantly, risk management. Firstly, aspiring day traders should educate themselves about the underlying markets that binary options are derivative of. Learn to use technical and fundamental analysis and other various trading strategies. Next, you should devise a well-defined trading plan including specific entry and exit points and also position sizing. Stay informed about the underlying market's trends and news is essential for making informed decisions on the market. Emotional control is crucial. You want to avoid impulsive decisions as much as possible because those will be the most common reason to lead you to losses when trading. Chasing losses are another form of that as well. Furthermore, day traders must be vigilant and avoid overtrading. Consistent practice, continuous learning, and adaptability are key if you want to refine your skills and ultimately achieve long-term consistent trading results in the dynamic world of day trading. Remember, success in day trading binary options relies on patience, meaning you want to wait for the market to present you with these opportunities. Do not go seeking them out or manufacturing an entry if all of the stipulations of your trading plan are not met. Stay disciplined and also maintain a long-term approach and continue to improve where you see fit. All of these have helped me to formulate better trading plans and to stay more consistent with my trading entries and my trading results long term. With all that being said, guys, if you want to learn more about exactly what I look for when trading, be sure to check out the resources in the description below. I have the educational package where you can learn my entire strategy in a multi-video series, exactly what I like to look for when entering on a position, combining different forms of technical analysis for key entry points. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program where you can get access to any time I enter and exit a trade on a daily basis, 5 days a week, Sundays through Thursdays. If all of this sounds interesting to you, be sure to check out the resources down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.